Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a large microwave-safe bowl and a baking sheet. Make sure to line your baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Having everything ready before you start ensures a smooth process. Let's get cooking. Now let's start cooking. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine the butter and sugar. Microwave on high power for 6 to 8 minutes, making sure to stir the mixture every 2 minutes. This helps it cook evenly and prevents burning. Keep a close eye on it. The toffee should turn a beautiful deep amber color and reach a temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. A candy thermometer is very helpful here. Once your toffee reaches the correct color and temperature, immediately stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be careful, as the mixture will be very hot. Quickly pour the hot toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Work fast, as it will start to set quickly. Spread it evenly to a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. This ensures a consistent texture and makes it easier to break later. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle chocolate chips or chopped nuts over the hot toffee immediately after spreading it. The residual heat will melt the chocolate, which you can then spread. Now, the hardest part. Let the toffee cool completely for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm and brittle. Once cooled, break it into pieces and enjoy your delicious homemade microwave toffee. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.